1, 2.
So she said, what's the problem, baby? What's the problem? I don't know. Well, maybe I'm in love. Think about it every time I think about it. Can't stop thinking about it. How much longer will it take to cure this? Just to cure it, cause I can't ignore it. If it's love, makes me wanna turn around and face me, but I don't know nothing about love. Come on, move a little faster. Come on, the world will follow after. Come on, everybody's after love. Wow, wow, wow. So I said I'm a snowball running down into the spring that's blowing all this love, melting out, blue skies belting out, sunlight shimmering love. Well, baby, I surrender to the strawberry ice cream, never ever end of all this love. Well, I didn't mean to do it, but there's no escaping your love. These lines mean we're never alone, never alone. No, no, come on, move a little closer. Come on, I wanna hear you whisper. Come on, settle down inside my love. Come on, jump a little higher. Come on, if you feel a little lighter. Come on, once upon a time in love. Wow, wow, we're accidentally in love. 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 I'm in love, 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 I'm in love. Accidentally, I'm in love, 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 I'm in love. Accidentally, come on, jump a little higher. Come on, if you feel a little lighter. Come on, just get yourself inside her love.